Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Spotify app on your device. Go to a playlist that you want to listen. When you tap on the playlist, you will see a shuffle icon with next to the play icon. When you tap on the shuffle icon, the songs will shuffle. But if you do not want your playlist to be shuffled, then tap again on this shuffle icon. Now your playlist won't be shuffled. You can only use this feature when you are using premium version. This version is not available on free Spotify app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.